It's always about the net streaming additions, right? 8.33 million, Julie, as you mentioned. And in fact, I believe Netflix has beaten its total subscription forecast in 13 of the past 16 quarters. Does it always lowball its estimates?
A little bit, but the fact is it's kind of hard to predict some of these international markets and how the growth is going to come in. But as we've talked about really for several years now, Netflix is a momentum stock, but it's not an earnings momentum stock or a revenue momentum stock. This is purely a subscriber momentum stock. And as long as the subscribers continue to beat, the stock can continue to work.
And not only did subscribers beat, you talked about international streaming. When we talked to Lucas Shaw earlier, he said that was a question. 6.3 million. The estimate was of the average of folks we surveyed, 5.05 million. So big gains in international subscribers. Even in the U.S., an addition of 1.98 million. The estimate there, 1.29 million. So beating both domestically, but especially internationally.
So it seems that the price hike that Netflix instituted last quarter didn't really have much of an impact.
Yeah, we'll see. There's probably a little bit of an impact here in the fourth quarter. We'll see it in a full quarter in the first quarter. But history has shown really the past couple of price hikes have not really impacted their churn numbers or their gross ads. So it seems like they're at a price point now where they can continue to gradually raise prices because the message for them is we are investing in content.
And I just want to point out, okay, so we see the after hours move of 5%. The stock was also up in today's trading. So it's just pulled back a little bit, but it's up about 9% between today's trading and the after hours. So this is it's just a monster move. I mean, this was a stock that was at 220 last week, and now it's at 240. So just want to put that into perspective. Incredible performance.
Okay, this is despite the fact that GAAP EPS 41 cent, meeting the consensus estimate.
GAAP
41
EPS?
cents.
What is it? What is this?
That's what Paul just said, though. It doesn't. I mean, it's not.
I know, but we should mention that,
right?
It's interesting. The company management team over the last couple of quarters is trying to get the street to reorient its focus away from subscriber growth and more towards profitability, because there is an improving profit picture as their markets, international markets, start to mature. They go from losses to profits, and that really drives the margin. So we will see margin improvement. We are seeing margin improvement in Netflix, but still, we can tell by the stock here that the market continues to focus on the sub numbers.
And Paul,